At Swiftfire Ministries International, we believe in prophecy, revelation, revolution, evangelism, healing, worship, intimacy, Bible studies, growth, discipleship, dreams, visions, deliverance, spiritual gifts, training, activation, impartation. Swiftfire Ministries International is here to teach, train, and activate people in these areas. Trying to figure out how to, Lord, tell me what to say here. I got ripped off by a Christian recently, $2,000. And I was a little bit upset, as most people would be. But from what I understand, there's a lot of us who are being ripped off by Christians. And there's a lot of character issues in Christianity. And there's a lot of people who are not following through with the words that they commit to. And their yes is not their yes, but it's a definite maybe. And in the midst of this, I had talked to some people. I'm like, what do you do? What do you, because, you got to be Christian. So, if you're confrontational, do you stand up for yourself? What do you do? And I came home from, talking to somebody about this, and I came home, and my little 2-year-old, out of the mouths of babes, she comes running in, and she's bawling. Just crocodile tears. She's so upset. And I was like, baby, what's up? And I get down, I'm like, she's so distraught. I said, Soren, what is wrong? And she said, Shane took my money. Shane took my money, my 7-year-old. Shane took my money. She took my quarter. And without even thinking, I said to her, oh, baby, don't worry about a quarter. I said, Mommy's got money. I'll give you a quarter. Ta-da! And I realized at that point, being the mom and being stuck between two children who were arguing over whose quarter it was. Both of them thought they were right, and probably one of them was wrong. The point is, a quarter wasn't anything to me any more than $2,000 was to God. And the Lord sees Christians, fighting over quarters all the time, and he's cracking up, going like, that's just a quarter, man. That's a quarter. And the Lord showed me an altar, and he showed me lots and lots of people coming forward because there was an impartation to receive restoration of everything that's been stolen, everything that the locusts have stolen.
Trust in you.
Wisdom, power,
Revelation.
revolution, revolution, revolution.
Trust you.